Hello, welcome back. This is Pankaj, and today we will discuss about the important concept of in every language, which is logging. Uh, every app or any application which you see in your software company or your projects, you will see the logging. So the definition of logging is it is an extra eye of an every applications which constantly watching and storing log of each and every event of your applications. Logging, which is I said before, it's a very fundamental concept and it is used in every small and large companies. We are very much rely on the logging for the development, maintain and to see the logging behavior of an applications at a runtime. I list out some of the benefit of logging, which is cost code standard. It increase your code, which will look clean and organized, and it has some levels of logging, something like debug, warning, info. We will discuss about these terms later at the playlist, and these are very handy. If you are using print statement, you don't have log levels, but later if you use uh, these levels, then you can easily find out what are the logs levels, and based on that, you can find easily and you can debug very easily. It has some functionality which is rotating files. So if as file size of log file increased at a certain limit, it will discard. I mean, it will create a new files and store the history of older log files. It has write formatting. So if you print in console, you don't have any timestamps, name of the modules. But if you are using logs, then you can custom format as according to your needs. You can hide your sensitive information from the console. You don't have this functionality in print statement. Um, if you are using some kind of sensitive applications in your organization, something like credit card, bank applications, and other sensitive information, then you can use locking layers. We'll discuss later. Then you can use a config file which has some functionality, and you can change the levels or the logging behavior at runtime, and this will handy when your application is running and you want to change the configuration at runtime. You don't want to stop your application and then restart it again to just change your log level. This is where it comes, and this is comes the another benefit of logging is monitoring and alerting. You can monitor easily by logs based on the levels defined in point number 2, and then if there's something error or critical error occurs, you can send alert to your teams. Here are some levels that I thought worth to include here in this slide. So we have basically six, but not set is just for debug purpose. Debug level numbers is 10. First level of logging is debug, then information, which is info, warning, error, and criticals. And you can see the number associated with that. So higher the version, higher the level, higher the level. So there are no prerequisites of this logging. You have basic knowledge of Python, and then you have Python installed in your system, and which is configured to run your program. And you have VS Code, which is also in configured for Python 3. And let's discuss about the playlist contents that I prepared. So in the first video, we'll discuss about the basic config module, and then we'll see the logout format and how we can format our log format. Then we will see how we can easily handle exceptions. I mean, we can log the exceptions, and then we'll discuss about the logo class handler and formatters, and then we will discuss about the formatting handlers and common, and then at the end we will discuss about the config file. So in the next video, we'll just jump over to the VS Code and we'll start the coding parts. So thanks for watching.